Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain what InsertKit actually is and why it can be a powerful productivity tool for your daily work. InsertKit is a smart desktop productivity tool that turns short triggers into full text anywhere on your computer. Instead of typing the same things again and again, you can simply type a small shortcut and InsertKit will automatically expand it into full sentences, templates, or commands. This works across your entire desktop, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. But InsertKit is not just about text expansion. It also includes a powerful set of features that help you work smarter. You can use voice typing to convert your speech into text instantly, which is useful when you want to type without using your keyboard. It also has categories, which help you organize your shortcuts and snippets in a clean and structured way. So instead of everything being mixed together, you can group them based on projects, clients, or personal use. Another powerful feature is the AI agents, which can help you generate text, suggestions, or assist you while working, making your tasks even easier. InsertKit also comes with clipboard management, where everything you copy is automatically saved so you can reuse it anytime. This is very helpful when you are working with multiple pieces of information at once. On top of that, it includes browser integration and extensions, allowing you to use InsertKit directly inside your browser while working online. You can also customize everything using settings and themes, so you can adjust the tool according to your personal preference and working style. So in short, InsertKit is an all-in-one productivity tool that combines text expansion, voice typing, AI assistance, clipboard history, organization tools, and browser integration, all in one place to help you work faster and smarter.